and subscribers, welcome back to my channel once again, people. Much love and appreciation as usual. So news to report in Jamaica. I think I talked about this couple days ago, people, about a policeman who was shot in the back while riding through St. Catherine. He was shot, his gun stolen, also his bike. But now it's being reported that a man was taken into custody yesterday afternoon, and the motorcycle believed to have been stolen from a policeman was also seized following a police chase that ended on Castle Drive in Stony Hill, St. Andrew. The policeman was shot and his bike and gun stolen along the Municipal Boulevard in Portmore, St. Catherine on Monday. Yes, people. So they have recovered the bike. They have captured the person who is believed to have shot the policeman and stole his bike and gun. This is a developing story at the moment, people. So when I get more information, I will relay the message. All right, I will give you an update and making a know what go on. All right, people, bless up in yourself from YaadAndAbroadTV. Much love. All right, people, loving up.